Good morning, folks. I'm here to open up a package that we received in our P.O. box. I won a 100 subscriber giveaway from Wayne Beaver. We are real big fans of Wayne Beaver. The link to his channel will be in the description below. Now here's the package. Now let's open it. I know it's jelly because Mr. Wayne already said that. Wild crabapple jelly. Don't that look delicious? Homemade, folks. I'm just gonna make some biscuits to go with this. I haven't made homemade biscuits in a very long time. This is a special occasion. And there's one more thing Mr. Wayne put in here. A CD of his music. He is an awesome musician. I really enjoy listening to this. Now I'm gonna go make some biscuits for this jelly. We'll be back. Well, folks, I made the biscuits. They're a little thin, but what are you gonna do? Except eat them. I've already buttered them. Let's try Mr. Wayne's jelly. Very good. That is very good. I can taste some honey in that, I think. The apple is very good. It's so good.
Pretty good stuff.
Better than my grandmother's.
Do you think Wayne would mind if I tried some of his jelly?
I'll let you have some.
All right, let me try some of Mr. Wayne Beaver's wild crabapple jelly. Put a generous, not going to use up all of Tammy's crabapple jelly.
It is so good.
But I want enough on here that I can taste it.
What do you think? Delicious.
First of all, I'm not sure what I was expecting. Maybe it's the word crab and crab apples. I don't know. But this is really good.
Yeah,
the apple in it is much sweeter than regular apple.
Yes. Taste the honey.
I mean, this is delicious.
Yep.
But there's a natural sweetness.
Yes.
In the crab apple. Oh my. This is honestly, this is one of the best jellies I believe I've ever eaten.
Me too.
If I was going to one of these, country stores that we go to, and if I ever see this on the shelf, wild crabapple jelly, this will be the one that I buy. Y'all outdid yourself, Wayne.
Well, folks, we just finished eating the jelly from Wayne Beaver's own crabapple trees. It was delicious. Bye, folks.